Installing Python and setting up VS Code. Python is not just a language, it is a software that must be installed on your computer. When you install Python, you are installing Python interpreter, Python standard library, and the tool that understands and runs Python code. Without Python installed, your computer cannot understand .py files. Let's see how Python works internally. First, you write your program in .py file. The Python interpreter reads this code and converts it into machine language, that is zeros and ones. The computer hardware then executes these machine instructions and finally you get the output. In simple terms, Python code, interpreter, machine code, hardware and result. Now let's see the steps to download and install Python. Open the browser, go to www.python.org, click on download. Download the latest version, Python 3 and above. Now run the installer. On the first screen, check Add Python to Path for Windows. Then click Install Now. This step is critical. It allows Python to run from anywhere in the system. For Mac, after running the installer, click Continue and follow the instructions. Agree for the license. Finally, click on Install. To verify Python installation, open Command Prompt on Windows and Terminal on Mac or Linux. Type Python version or Python 3 version. If you see something like Python 3.12.1, Python is installed correctly. Now let us see what is an IDE. An IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is a software used to write code, run code, debug code, and organize projects. You do not write professional code in Notepad. You use tools like VS Code or PyCharm. Now we will install VS Code. VS Code is a lightweight, fast, and used by professionals. Step 1. Go to the visualstudio.com. Download and install VS Code. Now open the VS Code. Install Python extensions. Click extensions icon left side. Search Python. Install the one by Microsoft. This allows VS Code to understand Python. Let's see how code runs in an IDE. You type Python code. It goes to IDE, that is VS Code or PyCharm. Then to Python interpreter. Here program runs and shows the output. The IDE is only a workspace. The Python interpreter does the real execution. Now I will create a first Python file. I prefer using VS Code. First create a new file. Name it. I am naming it as a hello.py. Now write print hello welcome to Python programming. Let's run this file. You will see hello welcome to Python programming as your output. You have just run your first professional Python program.